70 days. I think it might take exactly 70 days to reach my goal. We shall see. Beautiful sunny morning. I just got back from a jog. Felt really good. Waist is 25.5. So I'm 1.5 inches away from my goal waist. Hips are still 36. I think 36 was my goal in my hips, but I would actually like to get down to maybe 35.5 or 35. We'll see. But I might be fine with 36. I think that was my goal weight, my goal measurement in my hips. But my goal waist was 24 inches, and my thighs, I wanted to get down to 18 inches. So thighs are still 20, so I still have 2 inches to lose in my thighs, and about 1.5 inches in my waist. Weight is 126.2. That's almost 2 pounds lighter from yesterday. Thanks to exercise and non-fattening food. I went jogging last night, and I also woke up and went jogging this morning. But it was a short jog this morning because I hadn't eaten since 8 o'clock last night, so I'm really hungry, so I didn't have a lot of energy. So I only jogged for about 8 minutes, and I walked for the other few minutes. So I was out for about 10 minutes total. So I'm going to go jogging again later on tonight and do some stomach exercises and some things like that. Because you want to get at least, any amount of exercise is good, it's better than nothing, but you want to try to get at least half an hour, maybe an hour. But even 5, 10, 15 minutes is better than nothing. So just get out there and sweat. Just jogging this morning, even though it was a short jog, it did elevate my heart rate, got me breathing hard, and I broke a sweat in the hot weather. So got me sweating and got my heart rate up. And that's what your body needs to make your metabolism go faster, get your metabolism running efficiently and burning food efficiently so it doesn't store it as fat. And eating non-fattening food will help that. Okay, so I'm starving. Let me get something to eat. Some watermelon. Also, if you're trying to lose weight, I think it's better not to eat real late at night. Try to cut off your eating time, early evening, and not be eating at like 10, 11, 12, 1 o'clock in the morning. If you're trying to lose weight. Because that way your body will burn the extra fat and not the food that you ate while you're sleeping. But if you're not trying to lose weight, I would say it's not going to kill you to eat some watermelon or something if you're up late doing a project or whatever, and you feel thirsty or a little bit hungry. Some watermelon is not, I don't think it's going to hurt. Only if you're trying to lose weight, you want to burn the excess pounds off your body while you're sleeping and not the food that you ate. Because I think it's stressful not to eat when you're hungry. And it puts you in a bad mood. I know, I get really cranky if I'm hungry and I'm not eating. You want to go out or not? So watermelon is just the perfect after jog food. It's got tons of water. And I got cantaloupe, all kinds of really juicy, watery melon. Let's get rid of the seeds. And you can eat this whole thing for breakfast. You can eat a whole watermelon and a whole cantaloupe for breakfast and not have to worry about putting on the weight that you just jogged off. I don't know, every time I bring my own food somewhere and other people see what I'm eating, I always get compliments. Oh, you're eating the good food. Ooh, look what you're eating. Oh, that looks so good. Ooh, ah, you know, people really love fresh fruit. Everybody does. And, you know, I always say to them, well, you can eat it too. It's at the store. All you have to do is go buy it. You know, anybody can eat like this. This is Sasha. She has not made her cameo yet. Sasha, mama, she's always outside. She loves to be outside.
Yes, she does.
Now this cat was overweight when I got her. She was a lot bigger when I got her. She was being fed a lot of like cat treats. And those can be very, very fattening. So she has lost a lot of weight since she's been with me. She was a little bit too big, so now she's, you know, she's got less strain on her heart now because she lost all that weight. So I'm sure she's healthier now because she slimmed down. When I picked her up, she was really heavy before. She was just a fat cat. She was a chubby kitty, and now she's slimming down. And you know, and it took a few months. I've had her for a few months, and just about this past month, I've noticed that she's lost a lot of weight. So because I don't feed her a bunch of fattening cat treats that have a lot of dairy in them. Cow milk is not good for cats either. Cats should not be drinking cow milk. So, and there are vegan cat foods out there. And cats love fruits and vegetables. This cat will eat oranges. I've seen her eat, you know, she'll lick lemons. And to keep their bodies healthy, I take a lemon and I squeeze, I rub the lemon all over her fur, all my cat's fur, and they lick it off and ingest it, and it helps keep their body clean and alkalized. So she's slimming down, she's getting healthier, just like me. We're slimming down together.
Yes, we are. We're slimming down together.
But she was a big old kitty when I got her. dress sizes on a diet with no calorie restriction whatsoever, no fat restriction, and no carbohydrate restriction. Just eating fruit. 20 pounds lighter, eating as much fruit as I want. So it can be done. Fruit is not fattening at all. And, how do you eat fruit all day? You just eat it. You just get it in your body, you just eat it. You make a decision to eat the fruit instead of the pancakes. Pancakes will make you gain weight. Believe me, I love pancakes. Not that, it's not that I never get cravings for these kinds of foods. I do. I do get cravings for these types of foods, especially when I get really, really, really hungry. If you allow yourself to get really hungry, those old cravings will really start to hit you. And it's not that I don't crave pancakes or french fries or onion rings or cake. I don't really crave cake, actually, anymore. The main things I crave are fried foods, like french fries, and sometimes bread, like some pancakes. I used to love pancakes. Hot pancakes with maple syrup, yummy. We all grew up on that kind of stuff. But, I don't want to look the way I did. I don't want to feel the way I did when I was eating that kind of stuff all the time. Like I said before, once you get down to your goal weight, if you want to loosen up a little bit and eat that stuff maybe once a month, whatever, you just have to gauge how fast you gain weight. Me, if I eat just a little bit, I gain several pounds. Like if I were to have pancakes for breakfast this morning, I probably would be, at least 3 to 5 pounds heavier. And I don't want to gain all my weight back, so I'm really gonna just focus on eating raw. But everyone's different. You just have to judge for yourself and experiment with yourself and observe your body, how it reacts to different types of foods. Do you gain weight easily? If so, you should probably cut back on processed foods. Pancakes are processed foods, definitely. Pancakes would never occur in nature. So, it's not that I don't get cravings for these things. I don't want to be large. I want to be thin and feel good. I don't want stomach aches. So it's just choices that you have to make. And I like the feeling of being really fit much better than I do eating pancakes. Eating pancakes just lasts for 5 minutes, 10 minutes? You're in your body forever. So it's just decisions that you have to make. And if you want to start eating fruit all the time, just start eating it. Go get a bunch of different kinds of fruit. Big old watermelon, tons of melon, cantaloupe. Eat lots of water-rich fruits.